If you want to maintain your privacy on Reddit by hiding your online status, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you adjust your settings to ensure that others cannot see when you are online. Step 1. Log into your Reddit account. Visit the Reddit website or open the Reddit app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select user settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Navigate to privacy and security. In the user settings menu, look for the privacy and security tab. Click on it to view various privacy options available for your account. Step 4. Adjust online status settings. Within the privacy and security section, find the option labeled Show Your Online Status. Toggle this setting off to prevent others from seeing when you are online. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting the online status setting, make sure to scroll down and click the Save button to apply your changes. This will ensure that your online status remains hidden from other users. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Reddit. Enjoy browsing the platform with enhanced privacy.